push me. I'm in pool.
Let's see, where is...
Mommy.
Do you need help? It's very deep.
I'm down.
Okay. You should get on a sled. Should we go do it?
I have my own sled.
Nice.
Mommy.
Yeah. You're doing a good job.
Down, down.
You need some help?
Down.
Okay.
Down.